My name is Tabitha Kearabeng, and I'm 13 years old. I think I'll be the next gemstone because I'm very confident and I really have a beautiful voice, and I think that people can vote me and they will vote me. Who taught the sun where to stand in the morning? And who taught the oceans you can only come this far? And who showed the moon where to hide till the evening? Whose sweat alone can catch a falling star? Well, I know my Redeemer lives. Well, I know my Redeemer lives. All of creation testify. This life within me cries. I know my Redeemer lives. The very same God that spins things in orbit ranks to the weary, the worn and the weak, and the same gentle hands that holds me when I'm broken, they conquer death to bring me victory. Thank you.